Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. In today's video guys, we will show you how to rebuild and replace the key fob on your Mazda guys. If you have a Mazda 3, 6, 5, MX5, Miata, CX-7, CX-9 guys, Rx8, quite a few of them use the same key design. Stay with us guys and we will show you how to do that. In the meantime, we will guys have more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop, because our mission guys is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video and leave a comment below. So let us show you how to rebuild that key now. So this is the key guys. Okay, this is the key fob. It's broken. Okay, right here you can see the thing is missing. It's just falling apart guys. So we'll show you guys how we're going to rebuild it. Whether you buy a new key fob or you have another used one that you're going to use to rebuild it, the procedure will be the same. So we'll show you how to do that now. So usually some key fobs that you buy may not have the Mazda emblem. I usually get a small screwdriver or a knife. Okay, let me get a smaller one, get it stuck right here. Okay, go underneath and peel it out. Okay, you can see like that. I'm going to leave the emblem here. Now we have one screw right here guys that we're going to remove now. Okay, but before I remove the screw, actually I will open the key fob, the battery section. So I'll go right here between the two, okay, and pry a little bit with the screwdriver. Come on this side. Okay, this is your electronics here. This is the battery, but where is the immobilizer guys? Immobilizer is a little bit hidden and we'll show you where it's located. Let's go ahead and remove that screw here now. Okay, I'll need to get a smaller screwdriver here and the screw will will come out like that. Perfect. Now what do we do next guys? Next you need to open your key and right here in the hole, okay, just like that, let's stay like that. Okay, let me get a small screwdriver quick. Right here guys, there is one tooth, okay, that you need to push in and you separate those things apart. Okay, this is the tooth right here and that thing came out. Now right here we can go ahead, proceed and open. Usually you have a spring, ours is broken. I'll show you guys how to do it on the other one. Your immobilizer is right here. This is your immobilizer for the car that starts the car. Now the same procedure will be done on this one. We have the screw that we need to remove. We already removed it. I'm going to go ahead, separate the two halves. Okay, imagine that's the new key now. And we go ahead and take it apart now. Alright guys, you have two springs. Okay, right there. This is one spring, the other one is on the other side. If you want to replace the key, you can just pry it out of here. Stay with us, we'll show you how to do that, or you can just replace the whole assembly if you need to. In my case right here now, what I'm going to do, okay, we're just going to go ahead and let's see if I can get the immobilizer out, or I won't be able to. If I'm not able to, I'll just grab the key, pull it out. This is the spring right here. Okay, I need to make sure that here everything is still good. Where I'm going to install the old stuff, the old key. Now we need to reposition that spring right there. Okay, like that, and this thing gets in here. There is a special canal where it goes to. Okay. Now here we're going to get the spring in, go like that. After that, guys, okay, not to get confused, I'm just going to get one cover on. Okay, we need to close it now. The spring came out. I got it stuck. We need to close it in a way that everything aligns really good, otherwise it's not going to work out. I'm going to test the key, okay, before I put it together. And if you want to just replace the key, you can push that pin out one way and it comes out. Now, what I will do, guys, I'm going to get, you can replace your electronics here if you need to. I'll get the box now. Okay, I'll slide it in. Okay, like that. We'll place this one on top. Okay, that's your chain holder here. Now, not to confuse which one I hit. Okay, like that. Perfect. And all I have to do, install the screw right here and install the emblem. Next we'll guys get a screw. Okay, install our screw right here. Get it tight now. Okay, make sure the key works now. Perfect, everything works. Now what I'm going to do, I'll get some super glue. You can check out in the description of the video below where to buy the replacement key fob, guys. All that will be listed there for your convenience. I'll get some super glue, just a little amount right there now, and place the Mazda emblem, if I catch it. Clean with rubbing alcohol here first, okay, so everything will stick nice and easy. Okay, and we're guys ready to go. So let's go ahead actually and test it out and see if it works out now. So let's point towards the car now. Okay, let me see. Lock, unlock. Okay, all that works. So I want to see if the manual key works now as well. That's very important part. Okay, unlocks the car, and you have to check if it starts the car, because maybe something you messed up with the immobilizer and you need to reposition. Perfect, guys. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.